Luna in all the ways that matter classic is at 0.000248805, which means that the price of Luna exceptionally classic has dropped by 16.8% in the last 24 hours, which is a very big deal. The 24-hour trading volume for Luna really classic is 148,603,736, which is pretty big, while the 24-hour trading volume for Luna really is 0.000298805, which is also pretty big. July 26, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Luna sort of classic cost examination for now or next week. We'll try to answer these questions regularly in a way that clarifies important problems. How much do people really think Luna Classic will cost right now? They thought it was a pretty good investment, based on things like its support and resistance levels. Still, before getting too deep into the Luna specialized test, we were given a chance to talk about the general economy in a cute way as part of a market analysis over the genus 1-866-594-7300. In a major way, the total trading volume still stands at 32,396,217,087, or so they thought. Bitcoin makes up 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which goes against what most people think. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to 30,491.84 cents after a loss of 0.52, showing that more research needs to be done before jumping too far into the Luna technical investigation. BNB was traded at 239.88 after a value difference of 0.47 in the same time period, which is usually a very big change. The real local XRP coin is somewhere around 1.1 and is currently trading at 49 cents, or so they thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX went down in value by 0.77, which is a big drop. It ended up being worth 60 cents. These things show that the market is usually going down right now, which is a very important thing to know. There has been a huge, terrible drop on the cryptocurrency market, which is a huge Luna mass. The words support and obstruction are important, specialized terms that are used to make a clear distinction at key cost levels where the pattern can go in a different direction. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of the coin from dropping further. This shows how specific price levels can change the trend. Before getting too deep into the Luna technical analysis, it's important to talk about the economy as a whole. Competition is a level at which traders become more active and keep the coin's price from going up too much. Luna really pulled off a classic. The present price of Luna truly classic is 0.000132253, and there are 148,603,736 trades happening in markets that are very liquid. With a market price of $866,260,826 Luna's value has gone up by about 16.8% since yesterday, which is a big jump over the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, the price of Luna has dropped by 16.8%, which is a big change. Definitely a good worth review. The cost of Luna was looked at from the viewpoint of July 26, 2023. And, all things considered, the average time span made less sense than conventional wisdom when using the relative strength index. RSI movement like typical combination and difference mapped backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints like commonly basic moving certainly normal small and outstanding moving genuinely normal EMA to basically figure out how the Luna exemplar will change in the future, which shows what caused Bitcoin prices to drop to 30,491.84 cents after a decline of 0.52 and how much further they could fall. The MACD line is going below the signal line, which means it's a good sign. Bears usually have the upper hand on the lookout, which shows that we use the relative strength index RSI moving average and difference mapped backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving exception normal small and dramatic moving truly normal EMA to sort of dissect the future development of the Luna Classic, which most certainly shows what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 30,491.84 cents level after a decay of 0.52, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into. The Luna specialized examination explicitly led us, by and large, discussion about the really current economic situations, or so they certainly thought, while Luna's Williams %R pointer generally is at 81.25 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and kind of momentary pattern barrier inversion certainly is conceivable, which in a real sense shows that July 26, 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Luna pretty classic cost exam for now or for in every practical sense 1 week from now, and endeavor to answer these routinely in every way that real matters, got clarification on some things, facts. What most certainly is transient cost expectation for Luna Classic generally is Luna a very smart type of venture in. Bitgert is currently trading at 0.000024 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value change of 0.76 in the most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely critical. Brise has a complete market cap of 96,854,4444 and a 24-hour trading volume of 158,555, which is genuinely critical. This essentially makes Bitgert price particularly placed at 199 in the digital money market in a straightforward method if you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the pitching cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert be worth in 2023, which is genuinely significant? Is Bitgert the kind of clever investment or surely worth getting in 2023, which is genuinely critical? Will Brise cost outshine its predecessor? High, which is unquestionably crucial in a genuine sense. Bees are unobtrusively arbitrating cost predictions for Brise's future. According to the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of 0.000032. The normal sort of least value worth of Bitgert toward the end of the current year ought to sort of be 0.000031. Besides, Brise can truly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of 0.000035. And a genuinely large manner of 0.000035 and a genuinely large manner of 0.000035 and Brise value calculator in July 2023. The cost of pitcher is basically determined to, in a genuine sense, the add around a sort of least worth of 0.000024 lovely, in spite of the fact that mainstream thinking the Bitgert value worth can sort of arrive at a buy and large limit of 0.000027, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 0.000